Now let's solve the next question from linear algebra. The question is saying that let V be the R vector space of all polynomial with real coefficient. Let fx equal to x square plus x plus 1. Then which of the following subsets of V are linearly independent? So हमें देखना है कौन सा सबसे linearly independent होगा. This is a very easy question. So first let me write down the polynomial fx. Fx is equal to x square plus x plus 1. Now I am calculating f dash x, this, all of them. Just क्योंकि पहले कैलकुलेट कर लेना ही अच्छा होगा. f of x plus 1, that is x plus 1 whole square plus x plus 1 plus 1. So that gives you x square plus 2x plus 1 plus x plus 1 plus 1. So that gives you x square plus 3x plus 3. ठीक है ना. f of x plus 1 हमें मिल गया. Now let's calculate f of x minus 1. f of x minus 1. f of x minus 1 equal to x minus 1 whole square plus x minus 1 plus 1. So that gives you x square minus 2x plus 1 plus x minus 1 plus 1. So which is equal to x square minus x plus 1. Okay. So we found f of x plus 1, f of x minus 1. Now let's calculate f of x plus 1 minus fx, which is equal to x square plus 3x plus 3 minus x square minus x minus 1. So which is equal to 2x plus 2. Okay. Now let's calculate fx minus f of x minus 1. So this is equal to x square plus x plus 1 minus x square plus x minus 1. This is equal to 2x. सब कुछ मिल गया शायद. Yeah. And f dash x, the last thing is f dash x equal to 2x plus 1. Now पहला जो सेट दिया हुआ है, let's verify the options. पहला ऑप्शन में f dash x equal to 2x plus 1. If x minus f of x minus 1, this is equal to 2x and 1. So you can see we can write 2x plus 1 as 2x plus 1. So this is a linearly dependent set. Now let's move on to the next option. Option 2 क्या दिया हुआ है, f of x plus 1 minus fx. This is equal to 2x plus 2. Okay. Then fx minus f of x minus 1. This is 2x and then is 1. So we can write 2x plus 1 as 1 into 2x plus 2 into 1. So again this 2x plus 1 can be expressed as a linear combination of 2x and 1. Hence this is a linearly dependent set. The third option, fx is equal to x square plus x plus 1. f dash x we have 2x plus 1 and then we have the constant term. Now they are linearly dependent or independent, वो तो हम ऐसे देख के नहीं बोल सकते. So let's consider the linear combination. c1 into x square plus x plus 1 plus c2 into 2x plus 1 plus c3 into 1. This is equal to 0. So हम इससे लिख सकते हैं c1 x square plus c1 plus 2c2 of x plus c1 plus c2 plus c3. This is equal to 0. So अगर this is अगर if this is equal to 0, तो if we equate the like power of x की राइट हैंड साइड में 0 है, इससे हम बोल सकते हैं c1 equal to 0, c1 plus 2 c2 equal to 0, c1 plus c2 plus c3 इक्वल टू 0. इस c1 0 होगा तो c2 भी 0 होगा, इससे c1 c2 0 होगा तो c3 भी इससे 0 होगा. So इससे हम क्या बोल सकते हैं, दिस सेट इज linearly independent, as we are getting C1, C2, C3 as 0. So this is a linearly independent set. Now let's move on to the last option, option 4, where we have to verify this set. I'm just writing on the right hand side. This set is f of x plus 1. F of x plus 1 I have calculated. F of x plus 1 is x square plus 3x plus 3. Then f of x minus 1. F of x minus 1 is x square minus x plus 1. And then we have fx. Fx is x square plus x plus 1. Again, this is linearly dependent or independent. वो ऐसे देख के नहीं बोल सकते. We need to consider their linear combination. So let's consider their linear combination. C1 into x square plus 3x plus 3 plus C2 into x square minus x plus 1 plus C3 into x square plus x plus 1. This is equal to 0. So if we take C1 common, if we take x square common, what I have C1 plus C2 plus C3. If I take x common, I have 3C1 minus C2 plus C3. And then I have the constant term 3C1 plus C2 plus C3. This is equal to 0. Again, if we equate the like power of x, we have C1 plus C2 plus C3 equal to 0. 3C1 minus C2 plus C3 equal to 0. And 3C1 plus C2 plus C3 equal to 0. Now, this system has non-null solution if their coefficient determinant is 0, and it has null solution if the coefficient determinant is non-zero. So that's why let's consider the coefficient determinant 1, 1, 1, 3 minus 1, 1, 3, 1, 1. So डिटरमिनेंट कैलकुलेट करने के लिए 1 1 1 सेकंड रो को फर्स्ट रो को सेकंड रो से सब्ट्रैक्ट कर रहे हैं. So if I subtract this first row from the second row, I have 2 minus 2 0. If I subtract the first row from the third row, I have 2 0 and 0. So if we express this with respect to 2, I have 4, which is non-zero. So this coefficient determinant, the coefficient determinant is non-zero. Hence, the system has only one solution, which is 0 0 0. So therefore, this is again a linearly independent set. So option D is also correct option. Thank you.